Hello everyone, welcome to Geekermag. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to play Please Donate in Roblox. I will cover how to donate Robux to support others, and then I will show you the crucial steps to claim your own stand and create those donation buttons so you can start earning. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you don't know, Please Donate is a game where you can raise Robux or donate Robux to others. First, let's talk about how to donate. If you have some extra Robux and you want to support a friend or a cool artist, here is how you do it. Walk up to any claimed booth. You will see a row of green buttons. These are actually game passes. Hover your mouse or tap on the amount you want to give. Let's say this 5 Robux button. Click it and you will see the standard buy item dialog. Go ahead and click buy item. And if you have sufficient Robux in your account, you will hear a sound, coins will fly out and your name might even pop up in the chat. That's it, you have just donated. But what if you want to be the one receiving those donations? Let's learn how to do it. Simply walk up to an unclaimed stand and hold E to claim it. You might see this. Your stand is empty, no buttons means no donations. To fix this, we need to create a game pass. And don't worry, it's free. Minimize the game and open your web browser. You cannot do this inside the Roblox app. Go to roblox.com, login and click create at the top. Head into the creators dashboard, click on the creations, then experiences. Click on the place that has your username, like this. Everyone has one automatically. Now on the left menu, find monetization and click passes. And then click create a pass. Now if you want to change the pass image, you can click here, select the desired image, but I will keep the same. Next, give it a name like donation, thanks, or I'll go with donate Geekermag. After that, add description about the pass. And at last, click create pass. Now click on that pass you just made. It's currently off sale. Go to the sales tab on the left. Toggle item for sale to on. Enter your price. Let's do it 3 Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% tax, so enter the Robux accordingly. For example, if you enter 10, you will receive 7 Robux for every 10 donated. I'm just adding random prices for this tutorial. Also, if you see a box for enable regional pricing, I recommend unchecking it for please donate buttons. This ensures your price stays exactly 10 Robux for everyone in the world. After that, click save changes. For this tutorial, I'll be creating 2 more passes, one pass with 5 Robux and one pass with 10 Robux. Once done, head back into the game. If you have already claimed a booth, you might need to refresh it by holding E and clicking the refresh icon. And there it is, your green button is live. Finally, hold E again to edit your booth information. Like you can change text, font, color to give people a reason to donate. For example, select booth, you can go with basic one. For others, you need to meet the requirement listed. Give your booth a name, let's name it Support Geekermag or whatever you want. Apart from this, you can change text font, text color, stock opacity, and rich colors. Once done, you are all set to receive donations. And that's it. This is how you can play Please Donate in 2026. You now know how to give Robux and how to set up your stand to get rich. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query related to this video or seeing any issue, let me know in the comments. I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching.